morning, you all. This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. I'm at the Fulton Seafood Market. This is the second large seafood wholesale market in the world. And there's a lot of stuff. I will take a run and see what they are selling right now. Fulton Fish Market was founded in 1822, exactly 200 years ago. It moved to the current location in Bronx in 2005. It opened from 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. on weekday. Because of the wholesale, everything comes in large quantity. Blue crab $1.75 per bushel. Here's scallop salmon. Here are the oysters, catfish and squid. These are flukes of flounder. Cod or pollock are here. Here are sharks, mahi-mahi and halibut. Here are the striped bass. A lot of sea bass here. Here is the yellowtail snapper and a lot of clams. This is the wholesale. We didn't see a lot of customer around here. Here is a conch. Here is the red snapper. Giant tuna. Huge lobster and catfish. These are giant tailfish. See how big they are with my hand as reference. Here is the parrotfish and many clams. Here's a tuna fillet. Clouds from stone crab. 8-pound scallops for $80. Frozen snow crab leg. Razor clams $6 per pound. Here's a live crawfish. Here's a sea scallops $7 per pound and 50 pounds package. Oysters $60 for 30 pounds. This seafood market is such a huge place. It has everything, have all different kinds of fish, as well as a shellfish. We ended about some scallops, clam, and oyster. Today I'm going to show you a recipe how to make a grilled oyster in garlic sauce. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. Thoroughly wash the oyster. Steam the oyster for about 4 minutes until it's cracked open. Open the oyster into half. Chop a clove of garlic, as well as red pepper, cilantro, and scallion. Pour vegetable oil in the pan. Add half of the garlic and fry until it's golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add the rest of the garlic and the red pepper. Lay the oyster in the grill. Add garlic sauce on each oyster. Cook the oyster for about 7 minutes. Finally, add scallion and cilantro on each oyster. This is the grilled oyster in garlic sauce. If you are a seafood lover, you will like this cooking. Thanks for touring the seafood market and cooking with me today. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.